Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a candy machine. It's a bit hard. It's with fake blocks only. There. Here's where you put the coin. And there. So I'm gonna break it and show you how to do it. So you need all these blocks. It's a lot. See? So the first thing we'll take is this 2x4 blocks. We'll put 5 pieces. Three standing up and 2 lying down. Okay. Sorry, it's 4, not 3. The next thing we'll use is 1x2. We'll need a lot of blocks for this. So we'll put it like this. The next thing, we'll put that 1x2 blocks here and here for the closing part. Like that. The next thing, we'll build it higher and higher. Okay, let's see. The next thing we'll do, we'll put 1x4, this one, and put it on the sides. And we'll build more and more here. Okay, then we're almost finished. So let's do it. Then we'll put the ramps here. And here. Wait. Let's put some here. Here. There. Okay, then we're going to remove this instead. And we're gonna put this one. That. Then we're going to use a ramp again here. And then we'll continue building this. So I finished putting it here. Here you'll put the extra gum or candy. Here's the coin slot. And there's the coin where the coin drops. Like this. Like that. It drops down there. And there it comes out the candy. Like that. Okay. Let's build it higher and then we'll start trying it. So I put it higher. And I only put that 1x2. The next thing I'm gonna cover it and try it next. Is it videoing or paused? So now I finished it. It's the finished look. So now we're going to try it. This part I'm using Jawbreakers, the gobstopper. Son. So and we put the coins here. If you have extra coins, then you take one and insert it. Push. Now I'll take it. There you have it. Now, if you want another one, another kind, I will put it. Just wait. So I put Mentos in it, strawberry one. And then we're gonna put another coin from here. Let's push it. Here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to me, Alaf Perfinian. I also have a friend in YouTube. Her name is Denise the Awesome. Subscribe to her also. Thanks guys.